Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix Dazn app not loading first. Unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Here, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable and working properly. If your internet is unstable, connect to a stronger network and then try opening the Dazn app again. Many loading issues are caused by a weak or interrupted connection. Now open the App Store on your device and tap the search option located at the bottom right corner. This section allows you to quickly find apps and check for available updates. Keeping the app updated helps fix bugs and loading problems. Next, we'll search for Dazn. Once opened, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Dazn. When the app appears in the results, tap on it to open its details page. Here, you'll be able to see if a new update is available. Updating the app can often solve loading issues. After that, tap the Update button if it appears on your screen. Allow the update to finish completely before reopening the app. New updates usually include bug fixes and performance improvements. In many cases, this step resolves the problem immediately. If the issue still continues, simply restart your device. A quick restart refreshes your system and closes temporary background problems. Once your phone turns back on, launch the Dazn app again and check if it's working properly. This simple step often fixes stubborn loading issues. And that's how you can easily fix the Dazn app not loading issue step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.